This is the brand 704. And if we go ahead and take a look, the knife comes in a really cool carrying case, fully zippered. Let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys what you get. So inside here, you get a cleaning cloth and some other accessories. I just love this case. So this is the knife. It looks green on camera, but this one is actually the black one. Super sharp blade, so be very careful. So with this one, to drop the blade, you pull this down. So there's this little pin right here. Pull that down and that allows you to drop the blade. Great weight. You're going to see some residue. That's just, that should wipe off. Yeah, that wipes off. Again, super sharp blades. Let's see, this is a, I would say medium thickness cardboard. Let's do the first piercing. So easily pierces, no problem. Let's do slice. Now, I don't know if I got a good grip here, but oh wow. Take a look at that. Very clean slice. Let's start from like right here. All right, let's try that again. Let's start from here. Cuts like butter. So from factory, very sharp. No problem. Just overall, great knife.